Welcome back to Get the Marvel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more awesome content. Today, we're diving into the magical world of Java Virtual Machine, or JVM, and bytecode. So grab your capes and let's fly into it. Alright, so let's start with the basics. What exactly is the Java Virtual Machine? Imagine it as this awesome virtual computer that lives inside your real computer. The JVM's main job is to run Java programs, kind of like how your favorite video game console runs your games. But how does it do that? Well, that's where the magic of bytecode comes in. Bytecode is like the secret language of the JVM. When you write a Java program, you write it in human-readable code, right? Well, before your computer can run it, that code gets transformed into bytecode. This bytecode is super efficient and can be run on any machine that has a JVM, making Java programs super portable. It's like speaking one universal language that all JVMs understand. But wait, there's more. The JVM does a lot more than just running Java programs. It also helps with memory management, which means it cleans up after your programs to make sure they don't hog all the memory. It's like having a personal assistant that keeps your computer running smoothly. How cool is that? Now, let's look at some real-world examples. Ever heard of Minecraft? Yep, that's powered by Java and the JVM. How about Android apps? Most of them are written in Java and run on a type of JVM called the LIKE virtual machine. So, the next time you're building a house in Minecraft or using your favorite Android app, you can thank the JVM. So, to wrap it up, the JVM is like the unsung hero of the Java world, running your programs, managing memory, and making sure everything works smoothly across different devices. And bytecode? That's the secret sauce that makes it all possible. Pretty amazing, right? Thanks for joining us on this tech adventure. If you enjoyed learning about the JVM and bytecode, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an episode of Get the Marvel. Until next time, bye.